Let's create an advanced model inside of TIKR's Valuation Model Hub. Our advanced model option gives users the ability to customize more inputs that go into their model. This feature is only available to Plus and Pro subscribers of TIKR, so if you're a free user, you'll need to upgrade for this functionality. Let's first name our model, Meta, since that's the company we're looking at first. In the background, in just a second, TIKR will generate a multi-year model that you can customize to reflect your view of the company. As you can see, we have a valuation summary table here, but as we scroll down, you'll see the financial section where you can edit line by line items such as revenue, EBIT margin, shares outstanding, dividends, and potential exit multiple. Let's edit just one item here. Let's take revenues in 2026 and make this 20%. As you can see, the model will update in real time and the numbers will be reflected in the valuation summary as well as the chart here. When you're done, you can export the model and share it with a friend or colleague. And as always, you can go back to the Valuation Model Hub and revisit any models, guided or advanced, that you've created.